What's BNB? BNB, also known as Binance Coin, is one of the most important cryptocurrencies in the market by total value. But BNB is not just another coin that people trade. It plays a central role in one of the largest crypto ecosystems in the world. In this video, we will explain what BNB is, how it works, and why it remains one of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. BNB was originally created by Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. When BNB first launched, it was issued as a utility token designed to offer benefits to users of the Binance platform. Early on, BNB was mainly used to get discounts on trading fees. Over time, however, BNB evolved into something much bigger. Today, BNB is the native coin of the Binance ecosystem. This ecosystem includes the Binance Exchange, the BNB Chain blockchain, decentralized applications, DeFi platforms, NFT projects, and payment solutions. In other words, BNB is not limited to one product or service. It acts as the fuel that powers an entire crypto network. One of the main use cases of BNB is paying transaction fees. On the Binance Exchange, users can use BNB to receive lower trading fees. This simple incentive helped drive early adoption and gave BNB real demand from day one. Even today, many active traders hold BNB specifically for this purpose. Beyond the exchange, BNB is also used on the BNB Chain, which is Binance's blockchain network. The BNB Chain allows developers to build decentralized applications similar to Ethereum. On this network, BNB is used to pay gas fees, execute smart contracts, and interact with decentralized apps. Because fees are relatively low and transactions are fast, the BNB Chain has become popular for DeFi and Web3 applications. Another important aspect of BNB is its role in decentralized finance. Many DeFi platforms on the BNB Chain use BNB as a base asset. Users can lend it, borrow it, stake it, or use it in liquidity pools. This gives BNB additional utility beyond simple transactions and strengthens its position within the ecosystem. BNB is also used in Binance Launchpad and Launchpool projects. These platforms allow users to access new crypto projects at an early stage. In many cases, holding or staking BNB is required to participate. This creates additional demand for BNB and connects it directly to ecosystem growth. One unique feature of BNB is its token burn mechanism. Binance regularly destroys a portion of BNB tokens, permanently removing them from circulation. The goal of this process is to reduce the total supply of BNB over time. Unlike many cryptocurrencies with unlimited supply, BNB follows a deflationary model. Fewer tokens over time can increase scarcity, which is one reason long-term holders find BNB attractive. However, it is important to understand that BNB also comes with risks. One major discussion around BNB is centralization. Binance plays a significant role in the development and direction of the ecosystem. While this allows for fast decision-making and rapid innovation, it also raises concerns for users who prioritize full decentralization. Regulatory risk is another factor to consider. Because BNB is closely linked to Binance, regulatory actions against the exchange can affect the coin. This does not automatically make BNB unsafe, but it is an important consideration for anyone trying to understand the full picture. So why does BNB remain in the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization? The answer is utility. BNB is deeply integrated into one of the largest crypto platforms in the world. It is used daily by traders, developers, and users across multiple products and services. Its value is closely tied to real usage rather than pure speculation. In summary, BNB is a utility-driven cryptocurrency that powers the Binance ecosystem. It is used for trading fees, blockchain transactions, DeFi applications, and ecosystem participation. While it carries risks related to centralization and regulation, its strong use cases and widespread adoption keep it relevant in the crypto market. Understanding coins like BNB is essential for anyone who wants to move beyond hype and focus on how blockchain ecosystems actually function. Technology, utility, and adoption matter more than short-term price movements.